It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus Shades. You're watching Shades Wade.
Good morning, people. Y'all ready for the worst sound in the world? See if you can hear it. See if they'll do it. Okay, so that belt conditioner and that WD-40 kind of took it back to not horrible. Maybe it'll do it some more once we start driving. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, how the fuck's everybody doing? It's the ass crack of dawn. I'm operating off like 4 hours of sleep. Yeah, it's still screeching.
Primarily backing out of a space or doing
I'd rather go in sheets. Buy fucking coffee. You know what I'm saying? BRB. Straight JDM cup, yo. Type of red. Dude, $2.41 is the quickest cup of coffee. It's just like a cappuccino in a fucking their machine or whatever. Right? $2. Doesn't really taste amazing. Kind of tastes too sweet. But for the amount of ease, it will do. Maybe get some espresso later. I don't got time for that. Nobody's got time for that. It's already 7:40. I've already fucked up. So step 2. And bell squeaks like a motherfucker. Right when you get, once the belt starts going faster, it squeaks. It's just fuck shit. It's anti-mint. Honestly, I could just go up to the tech right, like to my tech right now, and just be, you know, hey, what is it? Save time and a trip to a rally. I'm going to work later, and it'll be funny to return stuff that's not from their store. I'll be like, hey, I'm like a shitty customer, just to fuck with them. You ready to shit your pants in the morning? Get the fucking whatever. Like, I think we've already talked about this. Like, I think they have a breakfast menu. A bunch of breakfast burritos or some shit. We're going. We give no fucks. BRB. Walking back. See if we can get this screeching noise. Fucking go, genius. Yeah, make your U-turn. Get the fuck out of the way, dude. Be all. Okay, so we are back. You're probably wondering where have I picked up at? So I went to O'Reilly. That's probably the last clip you guys saw. Bought the idler pulley, the pulley tensioner pulley, and then a belt. Well, I still got the belt, but screeching noise was a fucking pebble lodged in between my rotor and the dust shield, screeching on the rotor when it would come around out of a turn or something. Like, it was lodged in there. So yeah, he found that, and there's no more screeching. Awesome. Really happy about that. So then the reason my belt is squeaking, it doesn't have anything to do with my idler pulley or my pulleys. good, honestly. We're gonna prime it and paint it. I think I'm just gonna paint it satin black. I don't think it's gonna look too bad, seeing as like this climate control piece is it's silver, you know. But at the same time, I don't think it's gonna look too bad, honestly, you know. Returned the idler pulley, and I returned the tensioner pulley, and what I need to get is the whole tensioner assembly, you know, the whole auto tensioner with the spring and everything. So that's on the way. So I think you know, that'll probably come in tomorrow or the next day. Jerry might end up doing it because Aaron said $100, which is not bad. But I think for paying Jerry, like when I pay Jerry when we go over the shop on Saturdays, you know, I pay him about $220, and we work from 9 to 5. I mean, you can get a lot done in 8 hours. Like, we could get the wideband put in, we could get my hard race tie rods and my new roll center adjusters pressed in. We could get fuck, I'm trying to think of anything else. I think that was my car. Look at that tensioner, man. That tensioner is on its way out. It really is. Yeah, it probably makes sense why the last like big ass pull I did before the belt really started squeaking and making noise. I went I'm trying to think. I went 110, you know, 9 gram pulls, like all the way up until like about either, let's see, first gear to second gear gets you 60, and second to third gets you like up to like 90, I think, and 90 to, or third to fourth gets you like 90, and if I would have maxed it out, it would have been like 120, I think. I got up to like 105, 110, and basically I started noticing that the squeaking noise and the weird noise after that pull. So like after that high speed, high rev limit type deal, it probably wore out the auto tensioner because it was already worn out probably, you know. So I mean, it's not the end of the world or anything. With my discount, the auto tensioner normally is $104 or something like that. I got it for 53 or 52, I think. So that was pretty dope. Because at first I thought, you know, when he told me $52, I was like, is that with my discount or without my discount? He's like, no, that's with your discount, because yeah, it's normally 104 plus tax. I was like, god damn, already then. Well, glad I got that discount. But yeah, guys, thought I'd give you a little vlog for today. Nothing too eventful. I mean, at least we figured out the screeching noise has nothing to do with the pulleys or any of that. It was completely, where the fuck was it? Yeah, this little guy right here, this little fucking pebble. What the hell? But yeah, eventually, as soon as that auto tensioner comes in, get that all settled, get that all switched out, and then we can get back to ripping and gripping, because you know, I just don't want the belt to slip, because that's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be a good thing. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Be y'all.
You're watching Shades Wade.